I need help. Oh yeah, I need help. Let's bring in the think tank. Joining us tonight, and trial attorney, big case, Michael Jaafar is with us. Michael, I could see myself making a very compelling argument to the jury as a prosecutor with all this evidence in that they don't want in. That this man was, made to believe, or maybe it's actually true, that this girl was a victim. But we don't support vigilantism. And yeah, she was bad, but there's a time and a place to bring these allegations, and it's in family court, and it's to go file a criminal thing. We don't go and take people out, right? And if that's the truth, it's the truth. I mean, otherwise, I don't know what this jury thinks. Like, why would this concert pianist who has this relationship with John Mello, why is he doing this? It almost makes him look like a complete psychopath.
Exactly, especially when the jury hears about the way the murder happened. The whole thing was completely macabre, right? He's a Juilliard-trained pianist, and he's alleged to have murdered her and left rose petals around her. But I have my own conspiracy theory. My conspiracy theory is this: everything that happens outside that courtroom and before the case osmoses its way into the jury. Sequester be damned, right? My conspiracy theory is they probably know, and I'll tell you why. It is so confusing and mysterious, if I was sitting on that jury, to know why did this guy with this blonde hair, so far, there's no connection to this murder. There's no, like, you can't even convince me to go pick up food for you if you're having this custody battle, let alone get a person who's so accomplished. He didn't just go to Juilliard, he had a scholarship. Why did he murder him? I think the jury are going to be so confused and so puzzled and so mysterious. I don't think there's a chance that these jury don't already know it. I mean, Post testified wearing a jumpsuit, right? And I also believe...
But they don't know what he did. They don't know what he did or is accused of doing. They just know he did something wrong and he looks like he looks. I think the only way this may come in front of this jury is if the defendant decides to testify. I mean, they've got video of him. They've got his DNA there. I think it's a strong prosecution case in terms of the evidence, but there's no explanation as to why it's all happening, which is the other half of the story, which I think he may tell. We shall see. Think Tank staying with us.